everybody! Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are Create Space, which is an art studio and creativity workshop for kids based in LA. And today we are going to be painting some rocks. This is a really fun project with stuff that you can find in your yard, and hopefully you can, decorate your house with these or put them back in your art as a fun little outdoor decoration. They're super easy to do. So let's get started. Alright, so all we'll need for this project today is a rock, and you're going to want something that's pretty smooth and has a flat surface if possible, but really any shape or size will do, and some paint, specifically some white paint, some paint brushes, a cup of water and a paper towel, and a nice little area to work in. So our first step of this project is to just get one nice coat of white paint on there to make a base layer. So let's start that. So we're going to paint all the way around the sides, and then we're even going to do one layer on the back as well, so that the whole rock is covered in a white layer of paint. Okay, so now that we have our base coat on our rock, we're going to start to decide what we're going to actually paint on our rock. So for me, I thought mine is kind of shaped similar to a ladybug, so that's what I'm going to do on mine. So now I'm going to start thinking ahead, what types of colors am I going to use? Maybe I might even look up a picture of a ladybug to help me get started on my design. And that's how I'm going to start mine off. And my sister Mia here is going to tell you about hers too.
I think I'm going to do a shark with his mouth open, and I'm going to show all of his teeth. And I'll probably use like a silver color, maybe some black, and just see where I go from there.
Nice. Alright, and so let's get our next colors out and ready for us. So I'm going to be using some red, Mia's going to be using some silver. Of our video, so these are our final products. I did mine as a little ladybug here, and my sister Mia did a fun little shark. Let's flip this over so you guys can see. They turned out really cute. It's a really fun way to get creative and kind of think outside of the box, do something a little bit different. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and we will be back next Tuesday with another video. Bye!